Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Welcome back to Vault of Civilizations. Today we're heading somewhere you'd never expect. Meet the stars of today's story. Premium horses raised not for racing, not for riding, but for something else.
These three remarkable animals each produce a unique quality of natural fiber, perfect for what's about to happen.
Here at Vault of Civilizations, we always dig deeper than the surface, and this factory floor is unlike anything we've filmed.
Every step, every meal, every hour of these horses' lives plays a role in what becomes tomorrow's paper products.
Hundreds of acres, dozens of stables, and one incredible idea that turns waste into wealth.
Our crew today wears more than just a uniform. They wear the name of this very journey we're taking you on.
Vault of Civilizations, stitched right into the fabric of the people who make this process possible. A constant reminder of the quality and innovation.
This is where the story quietly begins, not with machines, but with these three remarkable animals.
And just beyond this ranch, an entire factory waits to transform what nature provides into something completely useless.
So why horse waste? Vault of Civilizations went straight to the scientists to find out, and what they discovered about this unusual raw material.
Horses are herbivores, and their digestive systems break down grass and hay into long, durable cellulose fibers, creating a raw.
Unlike other livestock, horses don't fully digest plant fiber, leaving behind a rich paper-ready material that's almost identical to the wood pulp used in traditional paper.
That leftover fiber is nearly identical to raw wood pulp, the very same material used in traditional paper making, and
Side by side, the similarities are staggering, and that's exactly why this factory exists. Because what you're seeing here is years of research went into perfecting this method, and Vault of Civilizations got exclusive access to see it firsthand. The dedication and science.
Not all raw material makes the cut. Only the highest fiber content is chosen for processing, and watching this careful
Every batch passes through a strict quality check before it ever reaches the factory line, and the attention to detail here is truly impressive to witness in person. Moisture control is everything. Too much and the fiber breaks down before it's ever useful, and watching this time-lapse you can see why precision is absolutely critical.
It's science, patience, and a bit of American ingenuity, and Vault of Civilizations was there to capture it all.
Welcome inside, and this is the factory floor Vault of Civilizations show you. And happens behind these walls.
Every single person entering this building wears the same bright yellow uniform, marked clearly on the back, creating a visual. That's right, even here our name travels with every worker on this line, a constant reminder of the quality and innovation that defines this entire operation. This corridor alone stretches over 200 feet, connecting every stage of the transformation process, and walking through it.
Here's where it all starts. Raw material trucked in fresh from ranches just like the one we.
Efficiency is key. Every pallet is tracked, weighed, and logged before processing begins, ensuring complete traceability from ranch to finished product. Vault of Civilizations counted no fewer than 6 separate production lines, all working in perfect sync, creating an industrial symphony of transformation and innovation. From here, engineers oversee every stage, temperature, pressure, and fiber consistency, all in real time. Precision matters. A single miscalculation here could affect thousands of pounds of product, which is why every adjustment is made with incredible care. This is just the beginning of the tour. Next, we follow the material into the heart of the transformation, where waste becomes something truly extraordinary.
Here it is. The raw material makes its first contact with the machines that will change it forever.
And first stop, the washing drum, where impurities are separated from the usable fiber. And watching this process, you can see the raw material beginning its.
Gallons of clean water cycle through this stage, rinsing away everything except the fiber itself, and watching this slow motion, you can see the purification happening in real time.
Our Vault of Civilizations crew keeps a close eye on every rotation, every minute of the wash cycle, ensuring the cleaning process. From here, the clean fiber heads straight into the shredder, breaking it down even further, and watching this progression, you can see the material getting closer to becoming paper.
This shredded material is what paper makers call pulp stock, the foundation of every sheet of paper ever made.
And next, the pulp is mixed into a slurry, giving it the consistency needed for the next stage. And watching this mixture form, you can see the paper beginning to take shape.
Hours of mixing ensure a smooth, uniform texture, no clumps, no inconsistencies, and watching this time-lapse, you can see the commitment to quality at every stage.
One final check here before the material moves toward the forming stage, ensuring that only the highest quality slurry advances to become paper products.
And with that, the transformation from waste to workable pulp is complete, ready to become something truly extraordinary on the paper-making machines ahead.
This is the machine that makes it all possible, and Vault of Civilizations calls it the heart of the factory.
The slurry is spread thin across this mesh, allowing water to drain away almost instantly. And watching this process, you see the moment when waste truly becomes. Massive rollers apply steady pressure, squeezing out excess moisture with every pass. And watching this process, you can see the paper gaining strength and structure with each press. Next, heated drying cylinders remove what water remains, hardening the fiber into a true sheet. And watching that, and just like that, what started as raw waste now resembles genuine paper, a testament to the incredible process we've witnessed from start to finish. Every roller, every cylinder is calibrated by hand to avoid tearing this delicate new material. And watching this precision work, you understand why quality is so consistent here.
These spools can hold thousands of feet of finished paper, ready for the next stage of production. And watching them fill.
Each spool gets tracked from here forward. Vault of Civilizations followed one all the way to its final form, ensuring complete traceability from waste to finished packaging.
From paper to cardboard, the journey continues into the next section of the factory, where these rolls of paper will be.
Multiple paper layers are bonded together here, creating the sturdy cardboard we all recognize, a testament to the remarkable.
I've worked here 12 years, and I still tell people what we make. Nobody believes me at first, but when they see the quality of our paper products.
Every single person on this floor plays a specific critical role in the process. And seeing them together like this, you understand the teamwork.
She's one of the newest hires, a recent engineering graduate drawn to this unconventional industry, and her fresh perspective is already making a real difference in our operations.
This tight-knit crew treats the factory floor like a second home. And watching them together, you can feel the genuine camaraderie.
Safety comes first, and every worker follows strict protocols before stepping onto the line. And watching these careful preparations.
Supervisors like him ensure quality never slips, no matter how fast production moves. And watching his thorough.
New hires spend weeks training before they're trusted with the machines. And watching this dedication to training.
Small victories like this one keep morale high across every shift. And watching this celebration, you can feel the genuine
Vault of Civilizations. Not just our name, but a badge these workers wear with pride. A symbol of the innovation and quality that defines everything we do.
This is the team that makes the impossible look easy, day after day. A dedicated workforce united by.
Now the question everyone's asking, is this process actually good for the planet? And the answer might surprise you as we examine.
First, every drop of water used in this factory gets treated and reused, cutting waste dramatically. And watch me.
Solar energy powers a significant portion of daily operations here. And looking at this massive installation, you understand the factory.
Regular testing ensures nothing harmful ever leaves this site. And watching these careful environmental checks, you can feel.
Unlike traditional papermaking, this process requires zero deforestation, saving countless trees and preserving natural habitat.
For hours. The numbers speak for themselves. A fraction of the carbon footprint of conventional paper production, and seeing.
Every box that leaves this factory carries a smaller environmental cost than you'd expect. And watching these shipments depart, even the leftover waste from this process gets repurposed into fertilizer for local farms, proving that this operation is committed.
It's a full circle system, from the ranch to the factory and back to the land, proving that sustainable manufacturing can actually improve the environment rather than harm it. Vault of Civilizations confirmed it firsthand. This operation takes sustainability seriously, and seeing these certifications, you can trust that
So what's next for this unusual industry? Vault of Civilizations got a look at what's coming and the expansion plans.
Plans are already underway to expand this model to ranches across multiple states. And watching this presentation, you can see the incredible.
This new wing alone will double current production capacity within the next 2 years. And standing here, watching the construction.
Ongoing research aims to make the process even faster and even more sustainable. And watching these experiments, you can see the commitment to continuous innovation driving this industry forward.
Products from this very factory are already reaching retailers across the country. And watching these trucks depart,
Somewhere right now, a customer is holding a box and has no idea where it truly came from. A testament to how seamlessly sustainable filters.
As the sun sets on another day, the machines keep running and the process continues. A 24-hour operation. Vault of Civilizations, worn proudly, then set aside, ready for tomorrow's shift. A symbol of the dedication and pride that defines. From horse to hopper, from pulp to paper, this is an American industry unlike any other. A remarkable journey.
That's the story behind America's weirdest factory.
So hello guys, welcome back to another documentary. Today we bring you today we'll discover horse waste paper factory, and today we explore from horse waste to paper. This extraordinary American factory transforms animal waste into sustainable products through remarkable science. 3 specially raised horses produced high fiber waste, becoming valuable cardboard packaging. The transformation involves washing, shredding, mixing into slurry, processing, and drying on massive machinery. Yellow uniform workers oversee every stage with precision. This sustainable operation saves thousands of trees, recycles all waters, and uses solar energy. By products returns farms as fertilizers, creating a full cycle system that turns water into wealth. This is Vault of Civilization. If you like this documentary, kindly do like, subscribe, and follow my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video. Take care.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.